series. First, what we cover. Introduction. This computer programming series is made keeping in mind people with no prior computer programming experience or knowledge. We assume you have fair knowledge of computers and computer applications. Our aim is to make computer programming fun to learn. We show you step by step of what is computer programming and what is computer architecture. We familiarize you with all the computer programming, architecture and code. What we cover in this series, we start with computer architecture and assembly language. In order for you to be a successful computer engineer, you must have fair knowledge of assembly language. Assembly language is low-level computer program, where you are very close to computer hardware. Then we move to a very popular computer language called C. C programming language along with C++ is very popular programming languages. If you know C or C++ very well, you can get job anywhere in the world. These programming languages are called evergreen languages. The plus side is if you know C and C++, then you will understand Java, JavaScript, and PHP with ease. C is procedural language, while C++ is object-oriented version of C. Initially it was called C with classes. We step-by-step explain object-oriented programming in depth. We explain fundamental data types, loops, functions and methods, arrays and vectors, pointers and streams classes, inheritance, polymorphism, sorting and searching, lists, queues and stakes, and finally we go through sets, maps and priority queues. We then move to Python and explain what is Python language and why you should learn this beautiful language. Then we move to Java. Java is fully object-oriented language. Everything is object in Java. It is very popular computer language and widely used. And also if you know Java, you will be guaranteed for highly paid jobs. Then we move to HTML, Bootstrap, PHP, JavaScript, jQuery and XML. HTML is widely used language. It is the base of all websites. And JavaScript providing functionality and animation to website. With PHP works on server behind the scenes. In data tables, we explain in depth the popular structured query table is called MySQL. And PHP MyAdmin. An unstructured big data query table called Hadoop. Once you get your firm grip on all these popular languages, including C, C++ and Python, we then move to algorithms, machine learning and data mining. Algorithms are very advanced topic in computer science. We show you step-by-step algorithms in machine learning. The topics of algorithms we cover are models of computations, merge sort, insertion sort, binary search trees, hash tables and dynamic programming, computational complexity and cost models, breadth first search or BFS, and depth first search or DFS. We hope you enjoy. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more quality programming videos.